Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping blocks we got oxtails, and I'm going to be making you the best oxtail stew ever in a power pressure cooker plus XL. Alright, that's what we're going to be using today. Alright, let's get this out of the way. I'm going to show you, I got 2 pounds a pack, 2 pounds a piece of oxtails. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 medium sized potatoes. I have 2 carrots. I have like 4 cloves of garlic right here. And this thing right here, because I don't throw my onions away, I put them in a little container. This is about roughly a whole onion. So you can go with a medium-sized onion. That's that right there. Put that to the side. I have half a cup of frozen corn that I'm going to put in there. We're going. Here's the seasoning. This is oregano. I have some red pepper flakes. I have some parsley flakes. I have some granulated garlic. I have some thyme. I have some granulated onion. I have some black pepper. This is the restaurant style. Over here is some pink sea salt. And I have some no salt seasoning right here. Over here is like cilantro, okay, dry cilantro. Alright, those are the seasoning over there. Also I have some soy sauce, and I'm going to be adding SAZ'ON GOYA right here, 2 packages of these. Alright, I'm glad I remembered that. You guys are going to be like, what the heck is he doing? Okay, I have some green beans cut up. I'm only using 1 can for this over here. All right, I'm gonna use a half a can of diced tomatoes. Then right here we're gonna go with the 2 pounds of beef broth right here. All right guys, show you all the ingredients we're gonna be using, and let's jump into it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash this off with some salt and vinegar very well, dry it off. And these gonna get chopped up because these got cooked first. I gotta brown these up. I have some flour also for that. Alright? So I'm gonna put my seasoning in that. So stay tuned in, don't turn from this dial, because you guys can get something totally awesome. See you guys in a minute. Okay everybody, I'm back. This is my oxtail. They washed up, cleaned up, and all that good stuff. We're just gonna put them over here in this bowl. Just like so. Okay, get rid of that. Alright, we're going to take out some of this sea salt. We're going to use a half a teaspoon. That's that. Come with some, we'll get that garlic. Throw the garlic on there. We're going to go with a tablespoon, or a teaspoon. Teaspoon of the onion. What else we have here? Some oregano, half a teaspoon. Some thyme, teaspoon. Teaspoon of that. Black pepper, go with half a teaspoon of that. Alright. Alright, now we got the SAZ'ON I'm gonna put 2 packages of this on there. Like that. Then we just gonna go in here and mix it up with our hands. Just like so. We want to get this mixed up pretty good because we want to let this marinate for about a good 2 hours. Alright. Now, what you could do if you wanted to, you can put the flour on there and mix it on there because we're going to sear it still. Okay? Should I do it? Do I want to do it? Yeah, we can. It ain't going to make a big difference or nothing. So let me see how much I'm going to put this. I'm going to put all this on there. It's probably like a cup. See what we got right there. The purpose of this is giving it a nice good tin and try to lock on all the flavors and stuff like that. And it can make its own gravy too also. And we'll be back and show you how to sear this bad boy. Some more of this on here. I'm gonna leave this flour here just in case. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Put some of this olive oil, if you can see that, in here. Like we just want to coat this. We're just going to sear this stuff down. See, it's not ready. It's getting there. That was the big pieces first. Alright. You just want to brown them. I'll show you how that looks because you ain't going to be wanting to sit here all the time while it's browning. Alright, I'll show you guys how it looks when I flip it in a minute. Okay guys, that's how it looks when you flip it. I'm just going to finish browning the other side up and I'm turn them on the sides and try to brown over that way too. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing after I brown up all this food. Okay, in a minute. Okay guys, just put my onions in there. I'm going to put my garlic in there. And let that cook for a second, just sweat. That's all I want that to do is just sweat. To release some of the flavors. Okay, now I'm going to take these oxtails. I'm just going to kind of like put those in there, the big ones first. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little of this olive oil in there. Pour the rest of it in. The little olive oil I had. Alright, so we got that going. Then I'm going to take this beef broth, pour that in there. So we're going to have to get some more water. So 2 pounds of that and 2 pounds of water. I'll be back because I got to get me a cup. Okay guys, I'm back. I just filled this up with some water, as you can see. I'm going to pour that in there. So 2 pounds of this and 2 pounds of water. So if you want to measure it out, this is 2 pounds. So just pour your water in there. I use filtered water. You can use what you want to use. Here's my tomatoes. Do a half a can of these. Just like that. See that? Half a can. I ain't said nothing wrong. Corn don't break down as fast, so we put the corn in there with that. If I can find it. Here it goes, right here. Put that corn in there with it, because it won't break down as fast. Other vegetable we'll put in there later. Like the green beans, the potato and carrot, we'll put that in there later. So just kind of like move that around a little bit. Alright, now we got our Worcestershire sauce. I should use some, but I'm going to use some soy sauce. Let me see, measure that up in here. A teaspoon, probably like a tablespoon of that. Get my seasoning. This is cilantro right here. Like a teaspoon of that. No salt. Teaspoon of that. Let's see, the parsley flakes. Teaspoon. Should just open it up at the other part. Alright. Crushed red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon. We don't want it too spicy. Alright, so let me come back over here to my garlic. We'll do a teaspoon of that, teaspoon of the onion. As you well know, I don't like a lot of salt in my stuff, so that's why I use a lot of this stuff right here. I'd rather have flavor than a lot of salt. You use salt to pretty much balance it out. Okay, what else we got? Some thyme. Teaspoon. A little black pepper. Well, here's oregano. Another teaspoon, so it's probably a total of tablespoons of all of it, right? So that's why I probably put on it, so we just half and half. So that's it on that. That's half a teaspoon of that black pepper. The salt, I'm cool on that. I'll taste it later. So like kind of like mix that up a little bit in there. And we're just going to put the lid on here and let it cook for about a good hour in this pressure cooker. Alright. Now if you want to put some Worcestershire sauce in yours, you can. You want to put some red wine in there if you want to, you can. Alright, let me see if I can bring you guys down. Okay, we go to our meats. Let me see if I can see that. Right here. So 15, 40 hour. We let it cook like that. And I'll see you guys when that's ready. We'll put our vegetables in next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I already tasted it. That's what it's looking like. You see how it thickened up by itself. So I got it on like saute right now. That's how those look. Now, I did taste it and I say I wanted a little bit of zing to it. So I'm gonna take some of this Worcestershire sauce or whatever. I'm gonna put some of that in it, like 2 tablespoons. Let me undo it. Let me go ahead. That's probably good. Stir that up. Now, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take our vegetables. So I'm just gonna pour these in there. Okay, I think that's it. The green beans, we're just gonna go ahead and put those in there as well. I already drained most of the water out of it. Give that a stir. Like so. And we're gonna cook this for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back in a minute. Gotta put the lid on there. You guys probably like, okay, he didn't put the lid on there. Alright. Now, 15 to 20 minutes. Go ahead and put it on here. 15 minutes right there. See if you guys can see that. Alright. We're just going to go ahead and let that cook, guys. And I'll be back. Okay, guys. There it is. The best oxtail stew. Cooked in a pressure cooker. XL. So, guys, please try these recipes out. This is another dish from my homegirl Barbara, family member, subscriber of mine. And please tune in and let me know who you are by simply clicking that bell. Let me know who you is so I can show you the love that you deserve. Alright, guys, please give me a like, a share, a subscribe, and please hit that bell. Please hit that bell for me. And I'll see you guys next time in Veil Dog Kitchen in a minute.